Let's analyze the portfolio today using the Portfolio Analyzer. You could simply scroll below and click here for a 7 Mojo parameter analysis. In the first panel, we get a brief insight on how the portfolio is performing across 7 different parameters. As you can see, the portfolio carries a high risk. There aren't any liquidity issues, but oh wait, it looks highly concentrated. We have also analyzed your portfolio across the 3 Mojo dots, that is quality, valuation, and the financial trend. Let's start off with returns. As you can see, the portfolio has a negative 1.8% returns since inception. You could also find out which stock, market cap or sector has contributed to your portfolio. Towards the right, we have compared the returns of your portfolio with a composite index to provide you with an accurate comparison. We create this customized benchmark index bases your allocation in large, mid, and small caps and virtually invest your amount and track your investments accordingly. You could find the absolute and IRR returns, the calendar year returns, how has dividends contributed, and also the returns contribution across sectors, market caps, and stocks. In the next panel, we analyze the risk. The portfolio has a medium volatility in line with Sensex and the composite index. It has also generated superior risk-adjusted returns. 60% of your portfolio has been allocated to small and micro-cap stocks. A caution, as these stocks are generally more volatile and considered riskier. There is one stock which forms 1.2% of your portfolio where you may face a liquidity risk. You could also click on full details for a better picture. In the next panel, we analyze how well your portfolio has been diversified. The construct looks highly concentrated. As you can see, the top 3 holdings forms 88% of your portfolio and the highest holding is 56.8% itself. Consumer electronics forms 57% of your portfolio. Any adverse news in the sector due to a sudden macro event might affect your portfolio. A very high allocation has been made to small cap stocks, making it riskier. Below this, you could analyze your portfolio as a whole across our 3 Mojo dots. You could view the quality of all portfolio stocks at once by clicking on full details. %58% of your portfolio has a fair valuation, with 36% being very expensive. 69% of your portfolio has positive or better financial trend. In the last panel, you can find out about the tax implications of your portfolio. You could find out about the short-term capital gain tax or the long-term capital gain tax of the portfolio. You could also click here and find out about the past tax history across each stock. You could click the video button over here. This is created on the fly and provides an instant analysis of your portfolio. You could download a detailed analysis report on your portfolio. This is always updated basis the current data. The 7 dots and many other important parameters are always available for a glance in your portfolio view. You could simply click on these tabs and find out about them. You can get key financials of all portfolio companies in one place, such as the latest sales, EPS, and much more. Or click on ratios and find out about the company-specific ratios within seconds.